Hello, welcome to Pecan Corner. I'm Tina, and today I'm gathering the stamens from my Saffron Crocuses. Saffron Crocus are a crocus that blooms in the fall. Today is October 22nd or 23rd, something like that. And so they always bloom in the middle of October. You can see here's some that have little grass-like leaves. And they come up and they bloom, and then they go on about their business. Now what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to harvest the red stamens from them. That's the part that's the saffron. And so I just use a pair of tweezers and I just pluck those little stamens out of the, oops, there we go. There's 3 in each flower, and the flowers from each plant, like this one's got 3 blooming at once. These over here haven't started blooming yet, and so I'll be picking them until all the flowers have come up and bloomed this year. You could of course pick the flowers and then pull the stamens out, but this is more fun to me. And then I'm just putting them in a little bottle, and I'll leave the lid off of it and let them dry. That yellow part, that part I don't keep. That's not a part of it, of the flavor. Okay. They grow really well in this part of Texas. It's dry in our summers and hot, and they like that. So you plant them in the fall. You order them and plant them in September. It takes them a couple of years to come up and start blooming, but then over time they'll gradually spread. And see, this one's divided, and there's 2 different bulbs down there. So it's a neat thing. Saffron's something that's kind of expensive, so it's not a spice that we usually would spend money on. So this way we get to enjoy the flowers and enjoy the spice as well. So that's my little tidbit for today. All right, I hope that you guys are getting ready for a great autumn and a great Christmas. All right, talk to you later. Bye.